Good evening students, welcome back in our art session. In previous session we had completed a plain color and tones like a gradation, right students? Today we'll see 3D objects. In 3D objects we'll draw plain drawing, okay, and then we learn there, right students, three tones: dark, medium and light. Okay, so those tones we'll use here, and our 2D flat drawing will create like a 3D object. Okay, so let's start. We'll draw here one cube, then pyramid, then sphere and one cylindrical form. Okay, so here make 4 parts. Make equal 4 parts. Then we'll draw one object. See, if you'll see here, I have drawn 3 lines. Okay, 2 lines should be smaller than that middle line. See the distance between these lines and this line, it's equal. Okay, now we'll draw here, we'll join them first. Now here, see how I am drawing. Keep your scale here and slowly move upward. Draw the line. Same way here, keep your scale. Okay, now this line, this side, and this line here, this side. Okay, so here we are getting cube. Okay students, now we'll draw pyramid. Here one line, try to keep equal distance this side also. Okay, and if you see, this is the big line. Okay, and these 2 lines are getting small, this. So here draw cross line, and here also draw one cross line. So this is pyramid. For sphere you can use compass or you can use any round shape. And here we'll draw cylinder. For cylinder, oval shape. Then 2 straight lines. Okay, now rub extra part. Okay, now our basic drawings are ready. Cube, pyramid, sphere and cylinder. These are the only drawing, pencil drawing. Okay, now we'll make them in 3D. Okay, so if light coming from one side, so where light coming first, that part will get light. So here we'll use light tone, right students? Then with your fingers, with your finger or with your thumb, with cotton, you can just merge it, so you'll get the smooth. Okay, this is the flat tone, flat surface. So you are getting plain tone, light, medium and dark. So here we'll show light tone. If we'll start one direction, means like a cross or a vertical, straight, so go in same direction only. So we'll get their plain tone, means from start to end you will get the one tone, right students? And here you will show dark tone. Okay, so here you can see all three tones. Okay, then we'll show shadow. If light coming from this side, so shadow always getting opposite side. Okay, now here we can't show three tones, so here we'll show only two tones. Light coming from here, so here we'll show light tone, and this side will show dark tone. So our pyramid also ready. Now here we'll show shadow. Okay, now sphere. Sphere means like a ball object. See, I'm not showing here plane. You should show like a curve, like a C. Here curve, then here like a C. We'll see here, students. I'm not showing dark tone till end, means here. Okay, I leave there some space, right? Means if you'll see any round object, you will not get their dark tone till the last. Here we are getting the reflection of that surface, so that's why here getting light tone. And that's why this way we are getting shadow or shade. Okay, here tell me light coming from which side? Right, light coming from this side and it's coming directly on this surface. So here light, medium and you're getting dark tone. This pair don't do directly. Left side you can show this drawing, means you can practice left side and if you get right work. then only start here. Okay, so just practice first for spare. See, light coming from this side, that's why here getting opposite side getting shadow. Okay, so here you can take light this side, left or right side, but for full object, whole object, you will use light from one side only. So this is the oval shape. Here will not show directly plain. Here also will show little bit dark and light tone. See, while doing shading, don't spoil any object drawing. Okay, so here we'll get light coming from this side, right student? So here we'll get light tone and here we'll get dark tone. Here light, here also light. This is the flat surface. Okay, if it is a dustbin or bucket, so opposite side we are getting light, means light coming from here, so opposite side getting light, but this is the flat surface, so that's why here light tone, so same side light tone. See, I have not merged any part. Always all parts I did there separately. This surface here also, in that cube and that in that pyramid also. You should make them separate. Don't use same tone. First I use their light tone. Slowly I'll show there. I'll give little bit pressure on my pencil and then I'll show here roundity for my object. Here, downside, will clear the picture. Okay, with eraser. Okay. Now here shadow, opposite side only. shadow is important, student, because we are showing here the object is there on particular surface or base. So show their shadow. Okay. Now here see cube, pyramid, sphere and cylinder. All 4 objects are ready. Okay, so here show like this side. Okay, then this. Okay, so thank you, students. Take care and submit your homework on given date only. Thank you.